Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Chrome the right way on mobile. So the first thing that we are going to do is to first go into our settings. So to do that, go into the notification panel and then click the settings icon. After that, look for apps. So look for apps right here. And then once you find it, just look for Google Chrome. So I'm going to search for Chrome right here. After that, we're going to open it. Now, in this part, what we're going to do is to go into permissions. Now, once you are in the permissions, what you want to do is to make sure that no permissions are allowed for Chrome. So let's say, for example, that the camera right here is allowed. So as you can see, let's say, for example, that certain permissions are on or allowed. So what you want to do is to click on it and then click don't allow or ask every time so that they won't be able to use your camera or microphone if you are not using it. So once you do that, make sure that you also enable manage app if unused. So if you're not using Google Chrome, they will remove all of the permissions right here, such as cameras, microphones, notifications, and so on. And then after that, they will also delete temporary files and then stop notifications. So after that, once it is done, just scroll down and then look for battery. So click on that. And then in this part, if you see that it is set to unrestricted, make sure that it is set to optimized or restricted so that Chrome won't be able to use much of your battery. So after that, go back right here. And then for the install unknown apps, make sure that it is set to off. So you don't want Chrome to install any unwanted apps into your phone because sometimes it contains viruses that may harm your phone. So we don't want that. So make sure that it is set to off. So once it is done, what we're going to do now is to open our Google Chrome. So we're going to edit some of the settings right here. So now, once you're here, you should be able to see something like this. So what we're going to do next is to go into our settings by clicking on the three dots on the upper right and then click on settings. And then in this part on the Google services, make sure that allow Chrome sign in if you want to sign in with your account. So make sure you want to sign in into your account, right? So what we're going to do next is to disable this help improve Chrome's features and performance because sometimes Chrome uses your data to improve their features. So we don't want that since we want privacy, right? So after that, also disable make searches and browsing better and then improve search suggestions. So just copy this setting right here. And then once it is done, we're going to go back into this part and then look for privacy and security. After that, we're going to click on add privacy right here. And then in this part, click on add topics and then make sure that it is turned off. So go back right here, make sure that you also disable size suggested apps. Same goes for add measurement. So make sure that all of those are turned off. And then once it is done, what we're going to do is to scroll down and then look for safe browsing. So in this part, if it is set to no protection, so what we're going to do is to turn it into enhanced protection or standard protection so that every time that we go into any website, there will be a protection against malwares or viruses. So once it is done, just scroll down right here and then on the always use secure connections, make sure that it is set to turn on. And then after that, click on warns you for insecure public and private sites. So once it is done, just scroll down once again. And then if you want to use a secure DNS, make sure that you turn it off. And then if you want to choose another provider, it's up to you, but I will just leave it as it is. So after that, in this part, just scroll down and then look for site settings. So on site settings, as you can see, there are permissions once again. And if you scroll down, you will be able to see that there are some permissions that are allowed. So what we're going to do is to click on don't allow. So make sure that all of those are either ask first or not allowed. So we don't want any permissions to be allowed so that Google Chrome won't be able to use any of our phone. So just scroll down once again and then look for third-party cookies. So if you want to disable this, you can do that, but some of the websites right there, if the cookie is blocked, they're malfunctioning. So I just recommend to allow it. And then for the pop-ups and redirects, make sure that it is set to don't allow. Same goes for the intrusive ads. And then same goes for the protected content. So make sure that it is turned on. So sites can play protected content right there. And then for the third-party sign-in right there, make sure that sites can show sign-in prompts from identity services. After that, you can do a bunch of certain things right here to customize your settings on your Google Chrome, but those are the some of the basic settings that you should do on your app. So once you do that, if you want to customize it, it's up to you, but that is basically it.